Hello, hello.
Hey guys, sorry to do this so late. I worked late and then I had an ice hockey game, but I'm here now and I'm ready to give away 500 props, or over 500 props, to some lucky person. I hope somebody wakes up tomorrow and sees that they've won and it just makes their weekend. So let's just jump into it. First, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. I hit the 1,000 follower mark, and I've wanted that for a long time, and now that I have it, I think I can give this up now. So it's time to hang up the hat, guys. Thanks. Kidding. All right. So hit the 1,000 follower mark. Thank you for helping me do that. Unfortunately, YouTube changed their rules, and I'm no longer an affiliate until I hit 4,000 watch hours. I'm not far off from that. I'm at like 3,500. So I'm committed to getting there, and I hope you guys will help me. You've already taken the first step to helping me by subscribing. Thank you. Something else you can do is just checking out some of the other content that I've put out. Some of my recent stuff includes some GTA 5 freestyle videos. So I installed the GTA 5 FPV mod on the PC, and I've been flying the crap out of that and shooting videos, just random freestyle videos, doing crazy stuff in GTA 5. I've also released a video previewing the Nox from Airbot. It's an all-in-one board for like your micro 4-inch and 5-inch race quads. I've also released some recent freestyle videos. I'll be honest, I'm not the greatest freestyler. If you are a great freestyler, I would love it actually if you could watch some of my videos that I've released recently and just give me some feedback. I'm trying to get better and looking for ways to do that. So appreciate it if you could help me out. Some of the things I have upcoming, I have a box coming from Race Day Quads. They have sent me this like crazy new freestyle flight controller that I'm going to be checking out. Also, this little guy, which adds an awesome feature to almost any flight controller you already use today. And I think that's also going to include a couple giveaways. I'm also getting some race wire from White Noise FPV, and I'm going to give some of those away. I'm going to review them and put them on one of my quads, and then probably give some of them away. I also have the latest and greatest coming from Airbot, which is the Asgard 32. That is the 32-bit version of their current Asgard board. And then if you followed anything on my blog, I've been really struggling to build a tiny whoop, a brushless tiny whoop that flies awesome. And I finally figured it out. I built one that I'm very happy with, and I'm going to do a video just talking through some of the pitfalls, some of the things that I did wrong, and some of the things that I did right, and help you guys. So if you're building a brushless tiny whoop for the winter racing, you don't make the same mistakes I do and waste a ton of money. If you could also check out my blog at CoreySnyder.me, that would be awesome. My blog previously was dedicated to some indie game development stuff I was doing when I was back in the day when I was releasing games or web development stuff, which is my day job. But over the last couple months, it's really been taken over by a lot of drone stuff. So typically when I do a video, there's usually a lot of write-up on my blog that leads up to that video, kind of detailing just some of the stuff that I'm doing. So if that's of any interest to you, please check it out. All right, now let's get on to the giveaway.
I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I hope that you're missing me, 'cause it makes me feel young. Hello, hello. Last time that I saw your face was recess in second grade, and it made me feel young. Won't you help me?
Congratulations to Justin Furnish. I checked him out. He is a subscriber, and he wins the box of 500 props. So Justin, buddy, I hope this makes your weekend, and I can't wait to get these out to you and get you flying, man. Please hit me up on Facebook at one of the 2 URLs below. That way I can get your address and get the box ready to go. As always, I always pick 2 runners up just in case the first person doesn't get back with me. So I'm going to go ahead and pick those now. Alright, so the first runner-up is going to be Night Train FPV, and the second runner-up is going to be Random FPV. So guys, if you could also get with me on Facebook, like I said, just in case, just shoot me a message and I'll keep you in the loop. For those of you who didn't win, I'm sorry, I don't have enough props for everybody, but like I said before, I have more stuff on the way, more FPV products, and some of those include giveaways. So just keep checking back and keep flying. Thanks for watching, guys and gals.
Won't you help me feel something again? How's it go again? How's it go again? My favorite color is you. You're vibrating out my frequency. Goodbye, goodbye. I said you're my bestest buds. We said that we keep in touch, and we did our best. All my new friends, we smile at party time, but soon we forget to smile at anything else. Won't you help